Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an enveloping, another one that I just received. And it's from Priority Mail. Now what did I get? Let's open it up and see what's inside in the man cave. In the man cave. Sorry about that, folks. Because I have a little something in my throat, but I'm good. So let's see what's inside in the man cave. Like right now, let's go to the man cave. Alrighty, folks. So what is in that envelope? It's an autograph, but what kind is it? It is a Bob Gunton signature with the character name Egon, of course. Obviously, it's Egon Spangler, aka the Ghost Farmer from Ghostbusters 3 Afterlife, or Ghostbusters Afterlife. He plays the Ghost Farmer, aka Egon Spangler. And if anybody hasn't seen Ghostbusters Afterlife, please turn off this video. Or if you already heard me say the name, oh well. But those who haven't seen it, get yourself a copy or stream it. But get yourself a copy because, bro, that movie is great. It's totally worth spending to see this movie because, my God, the gang is back. Egon is back in a ghost form. And what else? Bob Gunton, Egon, aka the Ghost Farmer. Egon Spangler, folks. So yeah. So Ghostbusters Afterlife continues where it left off, yes, even though Harold Ramis, who was the previous Egon Spangler, passed on in 2014. But it was dedicated to him in his memory and his look-alike, and they had to find the right actor that had the body size of Harold Ramis. And they brought in Bob Gunton. Ivan Reitman, who directed the first two movies and was like brotherliness to Harold Ramis, doubled him in some scenes in the beginning of the film. So yeah, in the final act, you are going to get emotional and you're going to have fun with it. So yeah. So tell me, any of you guys like Ghostbusters Afterlife? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? And also, who's excited for Ghostbusters 4 Frozen Empire? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, I want to make things clear. I'm in the YouTube community. What time do I post videos, and if I leave links for early pre-order videos, so check those out before they go bye-bye. As well as, it depends on what time I post videos. And if you like any other content, of course, like this or any of the other videos or the content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, and if you have any opinions, comments down below, and always appreciate the thumbs ups. And what else? Let's give a shout out to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, all you collectors out there. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. And enjoy the weekend, y'all. And welcome to December. Later, y'all. I ain't afraid of no ghost.